It is September 12th, 2020. We're here in the sewer line for the property at 6145 Kimberly Drive in La Mesa, California, 91942. We've just replaced all the sewer line in the crawl space all the way out to the front yard where we installed 2 cleanouts. And what you're looking at right here is the end of the lateral line for the house. This is actually the city pipe. So we actually pushed our camera all the way out because it's actually kind of difficult to get through some of the turns. We don't want to show all that struggle. So anyway, we're going to back up here slowly. This is not a self-leveling camera here. So you can see right there, that is the large pipe for the city. And as we push kind of forward just a little bit, you can see there's some water running through the system right there in the top of the screen, essentially, from the neighbors. So we're going to pull back up right here. So again, there's the T-junction where it drops in. This is 4-inch clay pipe. Here's the turn right there, coupling right there. Now coming backwards. Clay pipe has joints every 4 feet. There's one right there. That one is clear. Pause for 1 second while we clean our line off here as we come back. Okay, you can see there's some very tiny roots right there. Doesn't need any cleaning or hydrojetting right now, but there's very small roots right there. Okay, next coupling, you can see some very small roots getting in there. Same thing, very small, does not require any cleaning or hydrojetting at this time. Next coupling, we have some little roots there. Same thing, these are a little bit bigger, but they're still blocking hardly any of the line, and they're growing on the right and left-hand side. The bottom of the pipe right now is on the top of the screen. So again, right now does not require any cleaning or hydrojetting to remove those. It's very, very small. One very super tiny small root right there. You can see at that coupling, it's very, very tiny as well. Does not require anything yet. Okay, there we go. That's the end of the clay, or the beginning that we're passing by. And so we're now making a transition up this vertical cast iron pipe. We're vertically coming up. A little bit of debris right there, and this is the property line clean out. So this is the piece that's under the city sidewalk right there that's marked with the green paint. And now we're coming across this horizontal cast iron line across the front rock bed, the front yard here, or the side yard along Kimberly. And coming back across. And there you go, there's our transition into the ABS. We're going to pull our camera out. There's a lot of gunk on the end, so we're going to wipe off the lens here a little bit. So you can see here, came across backwards. We took a photo of this, but we'll just make a video. So the other plumber, electrician that came out, he just threw all the dirt and rocks right onto the landscaping here. You can see we actually put a tarp down to hold everything because there's just rocks here. So where you have rocks, grass, and that other vegetation there, it can all kind of get mixed in, and it's all got wet. I don't know if it was hosed down by him to make it softer for digging, or if it was some sprinklers, but it is really compacted and tough. So we're going to have the homeowner notify. They can come back and backfill that part. That stuff's kind of messy and nasty. So again, we'll backfill what we put on the tarp, which is what you kind of always want to do, obviously, to keep the other landscaping clean. So we just wanted to show that. Now, again, here's our 2 clean outs. We just went from there, which sweeps away from the house. Now we're going to go from here just to show. See, we're going through here. We pass through the foundation wall. This is all new 3-inch ABS plastic. Pushing across here, you can see this is all brand new. All been replaced. Here's the coupling, the T-junction right here. This is the combo T that picks up the other bathroom. We also changed this T-junction out. And then right after this T-junction we're looking at right here is another 3x2 that picks up the shower stall for that bathroom. So we replaced all the main from the other bathroom into this one completely. And then as we pass here, we have a little section of pipe. And then we go right into what we had already replaced from the previous, about a year or so ago. Or last year, whatever it was. So here's our coupling right there. And that's the new T, so everything's been replaced. It's all new plastic now, as you can see. We ran some water down the line, a little bit darker on the bottom there from the water we ran. So everything is clear and open, and the line's all replaced under the house now. There's now these 2 cleanouts outside in case something did clog up with improper material being flushed down the line. And then we have the other clean out here, which will allow you to go towards the street in case those roots get bigger over the years and they have to be maintained. But right now, nothing's needed for that. So that concludes this recording.